how do we enable product add-ons in Squarespace? So this is something that I've seen a lot of people ask for, and only recently Squarespace have actually added this in, and it's great for potentially upselling or selling bundles of products. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to add those product add-ons into your store on Squarespace. Okay, so we're on the site here. Now what we want to do is go into our store. So if I click on pages and then go into store, we can see we've got our product in here. Now let's just click on a random one. We'll do country feast set. Now if we go into edit, that's going to help us, well, it's going to take us into the product editor. All we need to do is scroll down, and maybe I've scrolled past it. There we go. Product add-ons. So it sits under selling tools. Now if we click on this, it's going to display the rest of the products in that store. So it says up here, anything that is a subscription or it has more than one variant, it's not available as an add-on. So it basically just needs to be a simple product, one product that you can add on. So it's basically an upsell. So if I put this in, let's say the spring bowl and the golden mist cup, and you can select as many as you want, but I'm going to apply those two, and then let's click on save. So when we go back into the country feast set and open this up, you can see we've got these add-ons that we can add to our cart like this. So it almost acts as like a related product / upseller, I guess, but basically it doesn't do it justice on this particular template. So maybe if I let's change the design just for the sake of this video, and we'll go edit section and maybe do half. That looks a bit better. So hit save and we'll exit, and now if we go down, you can see it sits nicely under the product. So let's say we add this to cart, it's going to add in, and then we go into our actual cart, and you can see the product plus the add-ons are in there, and then we can check out. So it's really simple. If you want to take them out, obviously we go back into the store, we find our product, hit edit, and then we can remove them by clicking edit and then just untoggling them and applying like that. Or if we wanted to add more in, we just click on add, bish bash bosh, put all. It looks like you can only do 4 actually. It's made a lie out to me. Okay, well, good thing I discovered that, because I didn't actually know. So it's up to 4, it would seem, and you can move these about depending on what you want to prioritize in there. So if we hit save, we'll see what 4 looks like actually on that product itself. Let's blow this up. Okay, 4. And it looks also to me like it stretches out the image to fit this, because you can see the way it's flush against the bottom. It would seem that it stretches the image. So just bear that in mind with the aspect ratio of the image that you're using. You can see we can add those in like so. So there we go. That's how you add your product add-ons onto a product on Squarespace. There's a lot of time saying product. Anyway, hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.